Hello Marian, anong pakiramdam? Papalabas na yung pelikula mo. Ako si Kindness.
It feels so amazing po. I feel so blessed na itong movie na po na ito na pinaghirapan namin ay finally mapapanood na ng tao, especially tayo.
So, gaano ka ka-excited?
Super excited po ako. I haven't seen the final movie itself, so I'm very excited to see myself and see the lesson that people would take from this movie.
Ano yung pinaka-nakuha mo sa experience mo sa paggawa?
I think pinaka-nakuha ko po is yung pinaka-lesson ng movie itself is by being kind, by showing others respect and honesty.
And hopefully, ma-inspire din ang tao.
Yes. So that's what the film is all about. It is an advocacy film. It is called Ako Si Kindness. And its role is to spread kindness around the country.
Ikaw ba may kababa? Kasi di ba first time magpapalabas. So may mga expectation yung mga tao.
To be honest, I would be lying if I said that I am not affected by my emotions ng kaba. Kasi po, this is my first ever role na I am one of the main characters. So I'm very kind of afraid of how I would be seen as a actress.
Pero ano yung kumbaga parang ano yung lessons na makukuha ng mga makakapanood ngayon sa movie nyo?
Well, the lesson would be trying to include others po. Whether they are a different kind of person, we should be able to wrap our arms around them.
Sino mga artista ba yung mga nilulook up to mo ngayon?
Mga nilulook up. Ever since I was a child, I've been very impressed by Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Bakit?
Well, she's just a very sophisticated woman, and at the same time, she's very talented. So I someday hope that I would be like her.
Ano yung mga favorite mong luwad?
She's dating the gangster po na movie. Really, part of my childhood na talaga yun. I think I've watched it a million times already.
How about sa mga lalaki naman?
Sa mga lalaki po, siguro kay Kyle and Charlie. Yeah, because of his acting skills and his singing skills. He's just a very elegant kind of man.
So after this movie ba may another film ka na nagagawin?
Wala pa po, or I would hope so.
Hopefully after this magkaroon.
Yes, sana po.
And then nagdi-dream ka rin bang magkaroon ng teleserye?
Yes, but it's part of my dream. Everything that would be given to me would be accepted since it would be an honor.
So, sino naman yung mga gusto mong makasama naman? If ever na magbibigyan ka ng chance na magkaroon ng serye?
I think anyone po na matututo po ako since every people that I have met and will meet will give a lesson.
So after this ba, ipapalabas siya sa mga cinemas?
Yes, I think so.
So may mga dates na ba? Kung kailan yung
hindi ko pa po alam
showing? So wala pa. So ito yung first.
Ito po yung first.
And first mo rin na mapapanood, diba?
Yes.
And alam natin beauty queen ka pa din. So dire-diretso pa rin ba? May plans ba na lumaban pa ulit? You have 2 crowns na, diba?
Yes po. I don't know po sa laban, pero I'm still continuously training. I'm still continuously training my modeling and my acting skills.
So next time, mas malaking competition naman.
Sana.
Pageants yung gusto mo. Ano ba inaayin mo? Miss World, Miss Universe, Miss International?
Miss Universe po sana ever since I was a child.
Bakit Miss Universe?
Well, it just has this big platform. I was inspired. It is a personal reason po talaga kasi yung Miss Universe po talaga yung nag-inspire sa akin para i-start tong career ko na to. So, I would hope to reach that kind of dreams.
Little Miss Universe ka, diba? Little Miss Universe. So, sinong na-idolize mo?
Miss Catriona.
Catriona Gray talaga.
Anong nakikita mo sa kanya na gusto mong
sundan yung yapak niya?
She's this very inspiring woman po. From the way she speaks to the way she walks, the way she carries herself. I want to be that kind of woman who is able to inspire the youth like I was inspired by her.
So paano mo nababalanse? Nag-aaral, may honor, tapos nagpa-pageant, and then umaarte na ngayon.
Well, to be honest po, it's not the easiest po since right now I am approaching college na din.
Yeah.
I think it's all about time management and loving what you are doing.
So ano mabibigay mo na na mensahe sa mga katulad mo na teenager na gusto din pumasok sa pag-aartista o kaya gusto maging queens din?
The only thing that I would say is that you should reach for your dreams. You should love yourself in the process because this is a very long journey and you should start with yourself, support yourself to be able to support others as well.
And sino-sino mga kasama mo sa film? Sa Ako Si Kindness.
Sila Miss Jane Cruz po, some of the students ng Quirino High School.
Invite na lang natin sila to watch out for your film.
Hello everyone, I am Marian Bermundo and I am portraying as Arisa in the film called Ako Si Kindness po. I hope that you watch it. It's an advocacy film that will be able to inspire others and I hope that it would inspire you as well.
Thank you.